Okay, now let's go to example 2. The directions tell us to draw a coordinate plane on the grid below and then locate and label the following points. So you can start by, once again, drawing your x and your y axis in the center of your grid. And then, before we actually plot the points on there, we need to take a look at our coordinates. I want to first look at all the x coordinates. -4, -3, 1, 6, and 9. Now, if we had a scale of 1 on our x-axis, that tells us we can go between -10 and 10. And all of those x-coordinates are between -10 and 10. So when I label my x-axis, I can have a scale of 1. So once again, I can mark off the 5th and the 10th one. That means the x-axis has a scale of 1. But if I go back and look at the y-coordinates, I cannot have a scale of 1. The lowest I could go would be -10, and the highest I could go would be +10. So I need to come up with a different scale for the y-axis. I can see that the lowest amount that I have is -40, and the highest amount is going to be +35. If I go by fives, I should be able to go from -50 to +50. So I'm going to go by fives. I'm not going to call each one 5, but I'm going to mark it off every 5th one. And if I'm going by fives, that will be 25 and -25, 50 and -50. Now we have scales on our axes that can fit the points. So now we can go ahead and label and locate them. To help us, let's call these A, B, C, D, and E. Pause the video, plot those points, and then when you're finished, you can continue the video and check it. So if we want to plot -420 on this scale, we're going to go right there. That would be point A. Point B is the -3, +35. That's going to be right there. C was the 1, -35. There's C. D was at 610. Point D. And the last one was at 9, -40. 9, -40. Point E sits right there.